What if I told you the next big action camera is only days away, and it's set to shake up the entire market with an unexpected twist? DJI is back in the game and ready to challenge GoPro and Insta360 head-on. The long-awaited DJI Action 6 isn't just a minor upgrade, it's a bold leap forward that could redefine what creators expect from a compact, durable camera. The leaks are no longer just rumors. Multiple reliable insiders have confirmed that DJI's next flagship is real, and the first product images, specs, and pricing details are already out. DJI seems determined to make a statement this year. The Action 6 reportedly packs a near 1-inch sensor, which is a huge jump in size and capability compared to its predecessor. This sensor promises exceptional low-light performance and a much wider dynamic range, giving creators cinematic control over their footage. It's paired with a variable aperture, allowing users to fine-tune exposure and achieve beautifully blurred backgrounds, something you'd normally expect from high-end mirrorless cameras rather than tiny action cams. Battery life is another area where DJI is breaking expectations. The Action 6 is said to offer up to 4 hours of runtime, an enormous leap compared to its rivals. That means longer hikes, deeper dives, and more time on the slopes without worrying about swapping batteries. Combined with improved efficiency and heat management, this camera could become the go-to choice for travelers, vloggers, and professional adventurers alike. The release timing has also been one of the hottest topics. Early whispers pointed to a launch between October 24th and 28th, but new reports from a major accessories partner suggest that the embargo will lift before November 10, 2025. This virtually confirms that the camera will be officially revealed in late October or early November, with pre-orders opening immediately and units hitting store shelves by mid-November. Pricing will surprise many. DJI is apparently going aggressive, starting at just $329 for the base model. The Extras bundle will sit at $429, while the top-tier Adventure bundle will range from $479 to $579. For the kind of performance promised, that's a serious deal. The Action 6's design reflects both power and polish. It's slightly thicker than the previous model, but for good reason. There's more tech packed inside. The front lens is noticeably larger, surrounded by a sleek metal bezel that gives it a premium feel. Below the front display is a pill-shaped design element that enhances its modern aesthetic. Despite its refined look, it's still built to survive just about anything. With an IP68 rating and waterproofing up to 20 meters without an external case, this is a rugged machine built for the toughest conditions. The most exciting leap, though, might be its imaging capabilities. The 1-inch CMOS sensor marks a significant step up from the 1.3-inch sensor in the Action 5 Pro. This upgrade means sharper details, stronger low-light shots, and a massive improvement in color accuracy and contrast. The camera is expected to capture up to 8,000 video at 30 frames per second, 5,300 at 60 fps, and 4K at an ultra-smooth 120 fps. Combine that with 10-bit D-Log color and over 13 stops of dynamic range, and you're looking at near cinema quality in a palm-sized device. Then there's stabilization, one of DJI's signature strengths. The Action 6 introduces Rocksteady 4.0, paired with an AI-driven horizontal steady mode that offers full 360-degree leveling. Even if you're diving, skiing, or racing down a mountain trail, the footage stays perfectly balanced and stable. It even anticipates movement with real-time shake prediction, keeping every shot smooth and professional. Connectivity gets a major upgrade too. The Action 6 will integrate with Garmin and Apple Watch, allowing users to control recording, switch modes, or overlay live data such as heart rate, speed, or altitude directly onto their videos. It's a clever feature that pushes the camera deeper into the fitness and adventure market, where data and storytelling go hand in hand. When compared to the Action 5 Pro, the differences start to look dramatic. The older model already delivered excellent performance with its 1/1.3-inch sensor and 40-megapixel stills, offering great detail and vibrant color. But if the leaks are true, the Action 6's new 1-inch sensor and 8K video capabilities will easily surpass it. The 5 Pro's 4K at 120 FPS and horizontal steady stabilization were impressive, but the new AI-driven 360-degree leveling system in the Action 6 raises the bar entirely. The two models are likely to coexist for a while, but it's clear DJI wants the Action 6 to be seen as the future-facing option. Battery life is another major talking point. The Action 5 Pro offered solid endurance with a 1950 mAh battery capable of about 4 hours of 4K recording. The Action 6 is rumored to go even further, maintaining higher resolutions for longer sessions. That's a big deal for creators who shoot outdoors all day and can't afford to stop every few hours to recharge. Durability remains top tier too, still waterproof to 20 meters and able to handle temperatures as low as -20 C. It's designed to thrive where most cameras fail. So, which camera should you choose? The Action 5 Pro remains a dependable powerhouse for those who want proven reliability and great quality without waiting for the latest release. But the Action 6 looks like a massive leap forward in nearly every category: sensor size, resolution, stabilization, battery life, and smart integration. If it delivers everything promised, it could easily take the crown as the new king of action cameras. But DJI isn't the only brand stirring excitement. Insta360 is reportedly preparing something equally groundbreaking: the upcoming Insta360 Ace Pro 3. This next-gen camera could completely change the game again, pushing the limits of eye-powered video capture. While no official confirmation has come from Insta360 yet, leaks are already calling it one of the most revolutionary action cameras ever made. The expected price might reach between $600 and $700, putting it firmly in professional territory, but the rumored specs suggest it could be worth every penny. Following the successful launch of the Ace Pro 2 in October 2024, Insta360 is said to be planning another major step forward, possibly releasing the Ace Pro 3 by late 2025 or early 2026. A renewed partnership with Leica, announced earlier this year, points to serious improvements in optical performance and sensor design. The Ace Pro 3 will reportedly include a triple AI processor, an upgrade from the dual AI system used in the previous model. This new engine could allow for real-time video enhancement, object tracking, and even automatic editing that eliminates the need for heavy post-production work. It's more than a camera, it's a smart content creation assistant. The sensor itself might jump to between 60 and 70 megapixels, larger than before, with improved low-light algorithms that promise night footage that actually looks cinematic instead of noisy or dull. Add 8K recording at 60 FPS, and you've got a device aimed squarely at professional videographers and advanced content creators. In short, the action camera world is about to get very interesting. DJI's Action 6 looks like a serious upgrade with cinematic capabilities, incredible stabilization, and a surprisingly friendly price tag. While Insta360's upcoming Ace Pro 3 could take smart eye-powered shooting to an entirely new level. Whether you're a thrill-seeking adventurer or a creative storyteller, the next few months might bring the most exciting wave of innovation this market has seen in years. The only question now is, which side of the action will you be on?